What's up, YouTube? So look, if you haven't checked out my last videos for the bald head and then my video for the beard grooming, y'all should go check that out. But this one right here is gonna be strictly skincare. So today we're gonna be talking about like a daily skincare routine. Pretty much I got this routine from my girl, so you know, if you work outside like me, I'm a person I work outside. If you work outside, this will be really good for you. This one right here to like break down all the oils and dirts in your skin. Yeah, man, let's get into this video though. So the first thing is, so she got me this little like scrubber type thing. It's like a face massager scrubber. So I suggest you get you one of these. This silicone, I know the silicone has some benefits. I ain't 100% sure on all of them, but I'm pretty sure that the silicone, it doesn't hold bacteria. Yeah, so this right here pretty much it exfoliates your skin, so it'll take all the old dead skin cells that are still on your face. It'll take all of those off, you know. So this one right here, I highly suggest y'all try and get one of these. If you can, I'm pretty sure just, you know, towel, scrub. But yeah, so this is one of the things that I use in my skincare routine. The next thing is this. This is the skin therapy. She told me to use this one because it'll break down all the dirt and oils in my skin, like from sweating all day and whatnot. So this one right here, so if you have a job where you sweat, or you know, you just outside, like, you know, anything like taking pictures, construction worker, this right here will be real good for you. So go get you some of this. So how you use this right here, you just take like a little bit of it, and it's like I can't even show y'all. It's like let me see, you just rub that all over your face. I'm pretty sure ladies could do this too, but hey, I know my fellas will get a lot of love with the grooming videos, so hell. Next thing I use is this foaming facial cleaner. So the way I like to use it is, I like to scrub it on my face first. I mean, some people put it on the brush, but I like putting it on my face kind of like a lotion. Then just going from there. So yeah, it'll be a gel, but then it'll turn like this white looking color. So yeah, so that's whenever this little scrubber thing right here will come in handy. I like to put mine on the second setting. That one is a little, it vibrates a little harder, so move down. Dang, got some of this in my eye down. Yes, yeah. So you could just wash all this off your face, you know, just wash it off it like normal. Yeah, so just wash that off your face. Then, last but not least, antioxidant spray toner. Antioxidant spray toner. Just spray it all over your face. And this is my girl stuff, so I'm gonna spray a little extra, you know. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, this right here is just good for, you know, it'll seal everything in. It'll improve the natural moistures and whatnot in your skin. This right here helps seal it in. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. I really appreciate y'all taking this time to, you know, I really appreciate y'all taking time out y'all day to just, you know, spend a couple minutes with me. It would mean a whole lot to me if y'all subscribe. I got a lot going on, so just know I'm in Dallas. If anybody needs pictures, so I also take pictures. So if anybody needs photographs, if you need pictures for anything, small events, large events, anything. If you want it, we could figure it out. Straight like that. If you want it, we could figure it out. But yeah, man. Be on the lookout. Follow me on Instagram, itsJayCharles. You can follow me on here, itsJayCharles. Really, pretty much you can follow me everywhere, itsJayCharles. itsJayCharles everywhere. Twitter. If you search itsJayCharles, it'll probably be me. Yeah. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching the video. Stay tuned. We'll be back with some more. Let's get it, man.